in the mix of Pilates.
I go drop these out my feet. I'm with two black, two clean. Push that to the weeks I need. I bring the God, no stressor. We under the chain reflection. Only one of my diamonds are blessed. Big body jeans. I go drop these out my feet. I'm with two black, two clean.
Finish on. Oh, that's Alex.
Give all of my friends 5 years and I promise everyone is going to be successful in whatever they do because they're all some of the most talented people I've ever seen in my life.
I say down, shit with him. If you want brother, go ahead. I'm stick with you like, yo, let it fly. My brother, I'm break my always going for home. Yeah, bro, I don't.
So we can go
Sorte, que a sensação do funk batido, 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 batida é um saco.
This is hard. You guys are head bobbing at the same trajectory.
You are now listening to Astro Experience.
I wonder, how's it gonna taste? That's quite hot.
Did you lose twice?
How much were those 4 slices? They're all way too much. How much? Like $24.
Period, cool. Yes. Oh, okay. Don't put this nigga, bro.
Oh.
Here. Right. Hold on, bring it down. Right.
Right. Wait, hold on. Let me hold on to that.
Yo, I'm just a tripod, eh?
Do it again, bro.
Right.
Why are you doing this to me?
Is it on? Yeah. It is currently 8:32 in the fucking morning. About to get some McGritties in the system. About to hit Rona. We've been here for too fucking long. But we ball. Fuck it, we ball. Yo, you've taken a piss too.
No.
Are these not? He just looked.
It's time, bro. It's first time, bro. Okay, bro.
From me and Bryce.
Open your eyes.
Oh! No!
That's hard. That's hard.
What the fuck? Fashion Nova? Get this out of my head! Ew! It's not even needles! It's like, oh shit, this is hard!
Go Sparkle, bro.
No, you went to Harvard. Bro, the whole thing, like,
Finesse University.
ew!
What about that? What's the one Tyga song that's like?
That's a crazy
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Doop.
Please, let me see.
Slide on the pink arrow. You know what I'm
Pronounce the name. You ain't got no style. See you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the.
Toilet. Yeah. I said festival. You should know that. I was like, that's hard.
Yo, what's good? Welcome to the vlog. We at the Weavits graduation.
Squish on stage, get everyone on here.
Hey there. This is my baby, I can't pronounce her. Best of my life, I live in the house. Sir, I'm not coffee. Raise it down, you don't coffee me. Never got a shot of coffee. Wake up your money, do it off. Damn, I'm wax on my body. Damn, yeah, I'm with the holiday. Yeah, holiday. I rap the trap, that's my hobby. Honey, young, Texas, type cool. Make the moves, don't make the news. Make the move, don't make the news.
Lock in. Lock in. If you didn't know, now you know.
This is a real person. I'm holding the camera still.
We're the beginning. We're not the end.
Right.
We come first, never last. Talk. We're premiere.
Premiere.
I don't know what the alternate to that, but lock in. We're not that.
Dernier, bro. It's dernier, bro. Are you speaking French, nigga?
Yeah.